Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hajra Tutorial. Today we will see 100 words starting with letter D. Do, does, did, they, don't, double, dance, desert, dear, darling, delight, danger, don't, design, depth, direct, debate, desire, defend, detail, develop, define, donate, disturb, display, divide, discuss, demand, damage, distract, depend, dream, decorate, decline, deserve, dedicate, danger, distance, distribute, drive, discover, desert, different, delightful, duplicate, divert, difficult, deliver, dog, dinosaur, dynamic, devote, dimension, daughter, diagram, democracy, desirable, doctor, diagnostic, dangerous, diploma, decrease, dust, divide, dairy, digit, donor, discuss, duty, draft, draw, deed, data, dot, due, dam, date, dash, degree, deposit, doll, dove, dawn, drop, drum, devil, disco, dream, race, depend, design, digest, donkey, dollar, dumper, default, decimal, down, deal, deep. Thank you watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.